Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by building the right foundation. Get a degree in aerospace or mechanical engineering and take control systems courses. Once done, learn CAD and CFD tools, practice with real models, make sure to log projects. Seek internships with defense OEM or aerospace labs to see processes and compliance up close. You'll also need security clearances and safety training, so apply early. These steps get you into teams that design fighters without building anything unsafe yourself. Once you have basics, focus on design and systems integration. Learn how airframe, engines, avionics, and flight control all interact. Use simulations and validated datasets to explore trade-offs. Run CFD cases and integrate sensors in system of systems tests. Make sure to work within configuration control and safety certification procedures. These are why modern fighters are reliable. Collaborate with structural, propulsion, and avionics engineers, document interfaces. To finish the professional path, transition to flight test, certification, and sustainment roles. You'll need advanced programs and hands-on testing under regulated conditions. Once ready, focus on maintainability and lifecycle logistics so designs move from prototype to operational use. Make sure to follow legal and export control frameworks. These determine what you may work on. If you hit roadblocks, the key troubleshooting tip: stop, review requirements and compliance, then rerun simulations or tests with controlled variables to isolate failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.